Hi friends, welcome back to Gadgets India. I'm your host CK, and this video is all about the review of UE Roll Bluetooth speaker, which is manufactured by Logitech SA Pacific Limited. This speaker is designed to be waterproof, solid and shockproof. The sound quality is very good, which gives 360 degrees surround sound, but in terms of durability, I have done my use with extensive use of the speaker in different conditions and sharing the view. This speaker is certified with IPX7, which means this can be completely submerged in water and it's totally waterproof. On my test, I dipped it inside this bowl of water just to show how it is performing inside water. Inside water also, the volume is quite audible, and you can see in this video there are some thump and vibrations are coming out of the speaker while it is submerged inside water. The volume up and down buttons are working fine being inside water, and there is no hiccup in the performance of the speaker. It is quite fun to watch the speaker vibrating and throwing up the water off the surface once you take it out of water. The front surface of the speaker is covered with a specially designed textured fabric which dries quickly once you take it out of water. Even though I put the speaker in water for more than 15 minutes, when I took it out, everything was working fine, including the buttons and the indicators. All the background music throughout this water test is recorded from the speaker. That means the speaker was totally performing throughout the water test. With the help of this bungee cord on the back side, you can hang it up from any hook inside your house, may it be in kitchen or drawing room. And it gives a nice aesthetic appeal to the surrounding without taking much of the space. Due to this flying disc type shape of the speaker, it gives 360 degrees surround sound effect. That means no matter at which corner of the house you might be, you will be able to hear the voice or the audio from this speaker. In this section of the video, the audio is recorded from the speaker only, and you can feel no difference even if I am rotating the speaker 360 degree. Logitech is also providing a mobile application which is available in App Store or Play Store, which you can download free of cost, and this is a very simple user friendly app which can help you to control the volume, power or equalizer setting and other features. In the UE Roll app on the home screen, you will find the power indicator, volume up and down, battery indicator, double up, equalizer setting, support and more. In the equalizer section, it has only basic features which can be custom, the standard or the bass jump. The app also has alarm clock feature in which you can adjust the volume as per your requirement. Through this app, you can add one more UE roll to give a dual speaker experience with 2.1 sound system. You can control the volume of the speaker through this app, and also you can power off the speaker through this app. This speaker gives on an average 8 hours of playtime on a single charge, and this is a nice speaker to buy at this price range. I hope you like this video. Please do watch the previous videos and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.